I won't blow, everybody won't blow. Now he make a source and live beneath. Come Lagos, so small girl with big dreams. Way like the big things. It's also no grief for anybody. Make you dey chase money. When you make a move, then go query. If you dey pass it, then go cherry. Your money big, plenty, no big kere. Akanchawa Baddie, no tire for hustle. When you make a move, then go query. If you dey pass it, then go cherry. Your money big, plenty, no big kere. Akanchawa Baddie, you have to make it.
Hey, God, oh God, now God save me.
Where did they happen? Sharks International. After you, Naija. Sharks for president. Where did they occur? Where did they happen now? Talk to me now.
So now your plan won't kill me for years, so.
Jesus Christ.
Jesus waiting.
Sharks, what did they happen now?
Jesus, no be you, no be you. Wait. You won't kill me for this place.
Relax.
Give me. Where did they happen? When are they fight? So now your plan be this. Now your plan when you want to kill me be this.
I don't understand. What did they happen now?
Sharks. Even after Alhaji don't pursue you last night, instead of you to pep low, to lay low, you come and stand lifted.
No be Osaze. When give me the idea when one almost kill me.
Oh, now you the para.
Wait. Osaze. I understand. So now Osaze be the mastermind of this matter.
Where did they master the mind?
Osaze.
Where did they master mind?
Thank your God. Because I wish Alhaji be shoot me and I be done to go said. I swear, I eat this ground. I not go leave you for life.
No be normal update I just give you. No be for your own good.
Update when what kill me.
No be advice I give you for your own good.
We nonsense advice.
Where did happen yourself?
Alhaji get God though. If for shoot am.
Shoot am as in how? I don't understand. Which Alhaji you get God for this? That military man. What's up? You only shoot one that they mentioned. That means this place not even dey safe. Why Alhaji say go carry gun put for house? Everything what they do now for your own good. Calm down now. Let me kill your ginger me like that.
I don't tell you, say Mona dey careful. This Alhaji no be like normal people. He no dey like normal people. He dey different. Man, sir! Move!
Hey, come make you just the para,
Come on for my front.
Sharks, so.
I better come on for here.
Make the back for you.
My spirit come for you first.
Clear road for sharks.
You my shares come up my body. Oh Jesus. Hey.
Give her a chance.
Somebody go soon turn to Nama in his house. I see that you all have been sneaking around the house.
No, sir.
No?
I did sleepwalk.
You did sleepwalk. Allah, you go sleep dead. You hear me, go? You go sleep dead. Huh? There are rules that must be obeyed in this house. You hear me, go?
Yes, sir.
You hear me?
Yes, sir.
First and first, if this whole entire building is burning with fire, big fire, all around the house, if it gets to my bedroom, I don't want to see anybody in my bedroom. You hear me?
Yes, sir.
Rule number 1. Do not play with fire. Huh? If it is not the kitchen and the dining hall, I do not want to see you anywhere around this house. In the other part of the house, I don't want to see you there.
Yes, sir.
You hear me, Ko?
Sir, yes.
And you, Osaze, I don't understand. Huh? See, you know you have big flesh. Your nama goes sweet. Allah. Nama. That's what you're going to turn to. Beware. Apart from the compound and the gate, any other part of this house, I don't want to see you there.
Yes, sir.
You hear me, go?
Yes, sir.
Ever step into any other part of this house. Now, a Sosa is the only one I want to see in any other part of the house except the bedroom. Yes, sir. I do not want to see any of you in the bedroom. I don't want to see you in the bedroom. If fire they everywhere in the house, if house is burning with fire, I don't want to see you if it is around my bed. I do not want to see you there.
Yes, sir.
Big ear, small ear. You dey hear me, Ko?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
You dey hear me?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Cool.
You. If I catch you, whether you dey sleepwalk, you dey stand walk, you dey draw walk, I will shoot you.
Yes, sir.
That will be all. How? Dismiss.
Thank you, sir.
Don't iska. My friend can get out! Utuma banka shege.
Why you dey call me?
Relax, I won't follow una reason one matter.
Who they call for meeting?
Na me call for this meeting. Na me call for the meeting. Get wetin I won't follow una reason. See, e don do. My tell una the truth, e no go ever work the way we take dey run am. This enmity, this quarrel, this carry face what we dey do like say we be enemies, e no go work. We no go fit function well for this house if we continue to dey live as enemies. So I wan make everybody just let anything wey dey bother am go. Let bygones be bygones. And me now, based on who I be now, I go drop my pride, make I start am. Make I lead by example. First of all, Sharks, I wan say I dey very sorry for the setup when I set you up. In fact, na trap now I even put you. That Alhaji matter wey happen, no vex.
If Alhaji be kill me before, how you for explaining my mama?
Now I dey talk now. Now make me say make you no vex. Now for your own good now I be do am. Make that one go. Also, the Baddie. Sorry for the time when I tell you, no vex. I'm sorry.
Una be wan kill me. Una be bad friends.
Bad friends as waiting. You wear bad figure when they feed you call.
Bad figure wey dey feed me sharks. You dey always dey talk that thing. Wetin you feed? The squad wey I squad, I no pay you. I no pay you. You do anything for me? In fact, you suppose to dey thank me because guess what? If I go give you to police, you wetin you do na attempted border. You for don dey locked up in jail for eternity. They will throw away the key.
We no want kill you. We just want carry the money.
I end this matter now. Mona end this matter now. Mona end this matter. Don't want to behave like this. Say person marry una as two wives. That means the person no go survive am. Mona calm down now.
I be bad, I know they do that kind of thing.
You be bad, you know they do with that thing. If Alhaji be allow you before, shey na you bed for day.
Hey.
Ashawo.
Now your entire generation be a shower.
See who they come here, Ashawo. You when they walk around for Lagos, if you call Lagos, I just say you don't even forget your body count.
You just dey bitter. Because I call Lagos less than 3 months I become millionaire with it. Now you make you dey vex.
You nonsense millionaire. I be woman of virtue, virtuous woman. By the time I keep my body intact, that for you where they walk around.
Precious woman, my foot. Mad person.
Wetin dey happen now? Mona end this matter now. Mona end this matter. Sharks, apologize to her. Let everything rest.
Yes, sir. To be frank, that's how I be report to be the frank people. And because I be work, collect money to take complete the rent. As you don't complete your rent before you come up from my house.
Now it make you sell out your friends. So they frat because of rent, because of money. Ha. Never see this guy. Go for.
You don't do. You apologize.
Apologize for waiting. I been na they whine me, na they crazy.
You too dey phone. You go here pretend to go dey do wetin you no be anything. You go here carry body.
No, while I no get anything for that to do. I get work for a start. I dey create sales.
They go now. You when no get well. Bye you too. You know they call me for meeting o. Me I dey busy too. Nonsense.
Okay, na me no dey busy. I no even really dey busy.
So sir. So food go sweet o.
I sabi cook now.
Hey. Does it just chop this one and you all doze off. Alhaji just eat this one and I sleep straight. Wetin?
Nothing.
Something dey your mind. I know say you wan tell me something.
Nothing.
Hey, so sir. Na me and you, you fit tell me anything na. You no trust me. Confide in me.
Father. Hungry, they worry me.
But wait first. Don't be worry you. So I wan tell me something. Just wait.
Where dey happen?
I feel trust not too.
That matter don't pass. Na the same boat now all of us dey. Now you talk what you want talk.
Any of na know where I feel by sleepy portion.
Sleeping portion.
Sleeping portion.
Who you want drop?
Wait, who you want drug?
I had sortie for Alhaji room and I need access. If they lock the room day and night, I need access, he said.
Hey! I talk am say Susan no go fit come back to this house, come begin dey do this thing where she did. No! She's on a mission. I don't want that you come back.
You talk to sure.
Okay.
That Alhaji room, so Mama advise you, if you enter that place, you know come outside alive. So abort mission.
What you put for there? Wetin dey there?
I had money for inside the room.
Money? How much?
1 million naira.
Shout now. 1 million. 1 million. Hey, how you want to access that man room? You know, say Alhaji talk say anybody will enter a room, especially me. See, you go cut me like nama.
Me want sleepy portion, so me for sleep.
What is sleeping portion? I don't know where they sell them. I don't even know the name. I don't even know where they buy them.
See if we go chemist. We ask all those chemists for those sleepy portion, the one where they type where they put inside food.
That chemist no go be bad idea. They go get them, but the problem is see if he go get taste. Because if you put them for food, now that man are very smart. But if he detect and say the food they taste somehow, that means it don't be.
Yeah, not true. Who could do like this?
Wait, you don't ask agent.
Agent?
You know what they talk about? When the agent house, he gets some kind of tools when they keep. All those rat poison, killer this one, killer. He they miss some kind of thing. So if you get some kind of concussion.
Not true.
So me, the reason say maybe just call him.
Not true. Okay.
No more.
I don't know, no go cast me.
Wagabayo. You must see the seal the fireworks for work. We must see the firework. Now I won't go bust my left eye so. Be this one again. Hello? Ibaji? Sleepy portion. For waiting.
Osaze, me I no trust Esusa and agent too. Be like say they plan to cut us from that money.
Even me too, I don't trust them. Make you no be say Susan and agent don't go drug Alhaji now carry that money disappear.
That one no possible. If I no serve Alhaji food, you no go shop.
That means as if we need to pull our eye for ground because they no go shock us or take us unaware.
Don't worry, my eye dey ground.
Meanwhile, I found Alhaji don't ask for food.
No, he say he go chop for night.
I'm not shaking now. But for us to mount the kitchen now so that once the sauce are finished, we'll just set the plan rolling. Have you?
You never see pink.
Hello, agent. Agent, where you dey now? Where the sleepy portion? I need that. Now, it's urgent. See, Alhaji want to put this sleepy portion for a food there. Now 1 million I keep for a room. Yes, now 1 million. No wala, just they come. I'll give you 100K, 100K. Okay, they come now. Okay. If they come.
They come.
Esusa. This one where agent when they give her 100,000 for this money so. We will follow you do this plan.
Even the money shocked me just for bringing this thing.
What do you can't give us?
You are giving 100k. You are giving 100k.
No bad. No manager.
Because we never really talk about money since. It go well. But wetin go sup now be say, you know say Oga don chop first though.
In afternoon food now.
That means na the second time when he go chop na him, you go put am for him food. But we never know the portion when he go be. Mo no go.
I will just put back a portion. As far as you know, that means you just pass out.
Okay.
Collect the money.
Always small. Asian like money, but some rich.
Just for bringing something 100k.
I don't even take what
So
I
Lagos
my
bill,
money
everything cost though. Now dear.
for the same poison system.
So tired. If to sleep na 100k, that
You
means
want the same poison? You wear your mouth already na poison. One cost this same poison, join your bad
that
mouth.
don't start. We no need quarrel. We no need quarrel.
Only because of this money when I want give me a phone insult. I just ignore you first.
So, as we talk now so it go be this one now, all of us na team. May nobody change the plan Sharks, Esusa and Agent, now go first go. Me and you go wait. Then later they go alert us. You understand? So Esusa, Ginger and Namuna they go.
Agent! Come outside, now they go!
Why you no tell me say you get that kind of money inside house? You this girl, you dey keep secret from me, your bestie.
I don't want to disturb you now.
For money matter, you for just not say you want shop Plymouth now.
No worry, when we collect this money, I go settle you big time.
Big time. Shebi say na 100k na you want give me. Wait the money pass 1 million? Ibadi!
Reduce your voice now.
You no seeking me?
You sef, you dey dull. You no get sense. Don't forget that time when I dey spend. Na naira dey spend, I be na dollars.
Na dollars you keep?
Yes.
How much?
$20k.
Yeah!
See, agent. First things first. The reason why I dey tell you this thing. You dey hear me?
I dey hear you.
Na because once we collect the money, I want me you find me one small, nice safe cottage for Lekki. Better one, no be the one we go get error like this one. Just to add myself. I no tell Osaze and Sharks because I know say their mouth long. They know I don't feel trust them.
Ibadi. Ibadi ọgbọ́n. You get sense. Na true because if you tell those people, they greedy. They greedy. They will want color be the money. I know we don't get the money. But you know what you? I'm going to get better apartment. I trust you. I just want to go better apartment.
You know see why they tell you this now because not only you I trust. I want where you stay with me upstairs. Once I collect the money, we'll find way. Dog them or
you
something.
Trust me now, I forgot. You trust me? It's me.
We'll go inside for the final.
Sorry, okay. Okay. This one, you reach you.
That's okay.
Sir?
Taste the food.
Can I chop your food? Hey, I know Sabi. Hey.
It's okay.
Sir, I think I may chop him. There you go.
Wait. You still never sleep.
For yeah, you still dey watch TV.
You social this medicine wey you bring all the work to.
Yes, now. I don't tell you, even me go, if I put the tea for inside my food, the market dey burst for my body. Up to 6-7 hours, I never wake up. You go, if you try and put for food, may you see. I leave me.
So. You go check her now.
It's so sad. It's apple.
I want lock door.
How about man? Go ahead, go and lock the door. Go lock the door. Yeah. It's so sad. Go and call Osaze. Tell him to come and see me.
Sir?
So go outside. Tell Osaze to come and see me.
Where did they go, sir?
I need some water.
Okay, sir, may I help you get the water? I don't want me to stress.
I'll take it myself.
Sir, you know if you open the fridge.
Go and call Osaze.
You won't blow, I won't blow, everybody won't blow. Now you make a source and live beneath. Come Lagos, so small girl with big dreams. Way like the big things. It's source and no grief for anybody. Make you dey chasing money. When you make a move, then go query. If you dey pass it, then go cherry. Your money big, plenty, no big get Akanchawa Baddie, no tire for hustle. When you make a move, then go query. If you dey pass it, then go cherry. Your money big, plenty, no big get Akanchawa Baddie, you have to make it. You go blow, Akanchawa Baddie blow. Beverly money sweet, nobody like it off my head. Chasing the money every day. Blow, Akanchawa Baddie blow. This how, that how, somehow, anyhow, anywhere, away. You have to blow. You go blow, Akanchawa Baddie blow. Beverly money sweet, nobody like it off my head. Nobody wants suffer. Blow, Akanchawa Baddie blow. This how, that how, somehow, anyhow, anywhere, away. And if you want make level change, wahala must dey. Some people around you go tell you get away because some dey jealous, but no lose focus. It's also no grief for anybody. Make you dey chasing money. When you make a move, then go query. If you dey pass it, then go cherry. Your money big, plenty, no big get Akanchawa Baddie, you go hold the cash. When you make a move, then go query.